Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this full face of makeup using 9 Maybelline products, guys. I only use 9, just 9. And this is 100% this time, guys. 100% Maybelline products. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve today's look, then just continue to watch. And you can achieve this look under 10 minutes. That is the main thing of this whole video. Like, this is a quick 10-minute look that you can achieve with 9 Maybelline products. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, sis, so silly me forgot to put on my mic, turn it on. I completely forgot. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm using in the first half, and the second half, it is going to be a talk through video. So as you can see now, I am putting on my Maybelline Tinted Moisturizer. So this is the first product we're using today in this video, and it is a tinted moisturizer. So it is moisturizing. I'm kind of using it as skincare as well. So what I'm doing is pretty much setting that base for the rest of the makeup I'm gonna apply today on my face. So I used my brush, my buffer brush, just to blend that out. So here I'm going in with the Maybelline concealer in Chestnut. I think it's the number 55 concealer, and I'm using that just to conceal under my eyes. I waited a bit, let it get really tacky so that it gives me the full coverage that I want underneath my eyes. And then here you can see I am blending it out with my brush as well. I really want to get rid of those dark bags, guys, which I did achieve. So here I'm going in with a second concealer. This is in Cafe number 50, and it is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my original concealer shade. And we're going to use that just to highlight the rest of our face. And as you can see, I try not to use too much. I did want this to be just a very natural look, and I did use the concealer technique that I've been obsessing over ever since I started applying it to my makeup look. So here you can see I'm just blending it out with my damp beauty sponge. All right, it was at this moment, guys, I realized I didn't put my mic in. So the rest of the video is just gonna be me talking through it, okay?
I'm so annoyed, guys, because I didn't turn on my mic.
And it was at this point I realized my mic wasn't turned on. So that is why I did a little voiceover in the beginning, guys, because I need to snap out of this. Like, how did I forget to not turn on my mic? I am so annoyed. But anyways, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna figure it out when we get to the editing step. All right, guys, so the next product I'm gonna go in with is my Maybelline loose powder in medium deep, and I'm gonna use this to set all of my highlighted areas. By the way, let me know if you guys would rather voiceovers or me talking. I really don't mind talking through my videos, but if you guys would rather a voiceover, then I could do that too. All right, so the next product we're gonna use is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Deep or Dark. And I'm just gonna use this to powder contour. I am taking a powder contour brush. Or you do wanna go in with a light hand with this powder, guys.
I am going to clean up my contour a bit with the loose powder in medium deep. Alright, so next I'm going in with the Maybelline pressed powder. This is in the shade 355, and I'm going to use this to set everything. We're going to use a big fluffy brush and just pounce this all over our skin. I am going to use it to get rid of this as well, because we don't want that harsh line underneath here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed what that did, but it literally just kind of got rid of all those harsh lines from the contour and the highlight and really brought everything together. So that's pretty much it for our complexion. So I am going to finish up the complexion with the Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade 55 Berry. And we're going to just bring some color back to our skin. Alright, so that's it for skin. I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes just because I love a nice lashed up look, and then I'll be back just to finish up the rest of my makeup. Okay sis, lashes are on, so we're almost done. We have 2 more products to use. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Sky High Mascara and just blend my top and bottom lashes together. I really love this mascara for my natural lashes just because they really lengthen and define and volumize my natural lashes. So, but today we're just going to use it for our falsies. Alright, and then just to finish up the look, we're going to go in with some gloss. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade Crystal. And it's just a nice bronzy gloss. I love this. And it smells really good too, guys. Alright, so that is it for today's look, guys. I used 9 Maybelline products for a full coverage look under 10 minutes, guys. This was super easy to achieve. I will leave all the details to the products that I use in the description box below, guys. So let me know what you guys think of my look. I really love it. Complexion queen right here. Complexion queen. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.